Hey, Farmer Dean here, and I'm going to make my cucumber and tomato salad. This is so simple. So I've cut up some tomatoes, some cucumbers about 1/8 of an inch thick, and some onion. So all we're going to do is we're going to mix all this together. And then I mixed up a batch of the brine, and it's just 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup of vinegar. I use Bragg's apple cider vinegar, but any kind of vinegar that you really like. White vinegar, white champagne. So there's 6 different types of vinegar that you can use that'll work with this. So take the one that you like the best, okay? And then we're just gonna pour this in here, and we're gonna mix it together. I love this salad because like 5 minutes you're done. So, and it goes with everything. I like apple cider vinegar, like I said, but you can use any. And all I'm going to do is cover this. You can put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, by the way. I like the salt and pepper afterwards because everybody's got a different taste on how they like more salt or less salt. So all I'm going to do is cover this, put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours, let it sit, then we'll come out and we'll start eating it. The longer it sets, by the way, the better it becomes. It'll stay in the refrigerator for 3 to 5 days, someplace in there. So I'm going to test this, and no, I'm not going to double dip with a fork. I'm just going to do one and get a little bit of everything in here. OMGs, is that good?